Hello, it's Theresa. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today is day 3 of my Valentine's Inspiration series. This series will run 8 days in total, so please make sure to come back tomorrow and see what else I've created for you. For today's project, I made these lovely little treat bags. And I did follow a tutorial from the Posh Paper Lady, and I will link that in the description box below. These bags don't require any special dies or anything to make, and you can just use what you have in your stash. They're just cardstock. It's not even any chipboard or anything involved. So very, very simple, but so adorable. Now they do stand up like that. In fact, I put little feet on the bottom. These are just some half pearls, and those are from my stash. This is a diamond press embellishment set. So I just used those, and then I also had, so I'll use these from Bead Landing that I picked up at Michael's. These little bags measure 3 3/4 by 3 1/2, and they're about 2 inches at their widest point. The cardstock that I used to create these is from Anna Griffin, and I used her teacup cardstock. I found the weight of this was really great for this particular project, and I love the fact that it was double-sided. So this, for example, is the other side of this paper, and so I used it, you know, for the coordinating pieces. You open it up, it does have a Velcro closure, and you can see, being double-sided, that it's even finished off on the inside. So just a really neat little project to make. You could make it for any occasion, but I thought that these would be super sweet for some Valentine's treats. The bow that I decorated this one with comes from AliExpress, and I purchased just a multi-pack. For this one, again, use the cardstock from the Teacup collection. Some little pearl feet on the bottom. And that's what that one looks like inside. Velcro closure. And my simple embellishment on the front was also from AliExpress, and it came in a pack like this. It's just felt on the back, and just simply glue it on. This last one, I just used a button from my stash, and I just simply snipped the shank off of it, glued it directly on. This one has some of the gold half pearl feet. And this one, I actually put some chocolates inside just to give you an idea of what it could hold. Now this bag has 12 Hershey's Kisses in it, so you can see that easily fits in there. So you've got quite a bit of room for a nice treat. I hope you enjoyed today's project, and if you did, please remember to like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Also, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Until then, bye!